Okay, so I actually shot the first part of this video about 2 weeks ago, and but I was a little paranoid about lighting it next to a school and getting caught, yada yada. So, but I'm basically going to finish it here, and same principles apply. Now this is my previous fire pit, and I already know what you're thinking, dude. That is like soaking wet. What are you making? What are you doing? Well, I'm going to put a fire lay down on top of this. And I'm going to put my tinder right here, which is going to be a cotton ball with Vaseline. Just going to keep it simple. Cotton ball with Vaseline, and I'm going to start stacking fuel, which I've got behind me, which I'll turn the camera and show you. If it's elevated here, it won't matter if it's wet here, because the heat from this will dry this and turn this into coal, which I've done before, and it was successful. So I'm sure many of you are going to be saying to the camera, no way, man, you're not going to be able to get a fire going like that. Well, let's find out. This is not totally dry. I hold it to my face, and it's not completely dry, but we're just going to have to work with best we can. Like I said, it's wet out here. I got a little fuel here you might see, but that's for a stove. And what I can actually do as well is I can stack a little bit more fuel here, like this. This stuff's been split. Stuff falling everywhere. So let me get the tinder, and then I'll show you. Alrighty. So what I got here is I got a cotton ball with Vaseline. It's just a prescription pill bottle. Cotton balls down below, Vaseline, screw top. Which is how I like to do it. I'm going to use a ferro rod. Turn the view screen so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, a lot of cotton balls, so I don't mind, using an extra one. Plus I have a bag full of tinder, birch bark. Might have a piece of fat wood. I got some cotton. What is that stuff? Wow. Cattail. Down in the bottom. Just dish out a big glop of petroleum jelly. When that petroleum jelly lights, it's going to extend my cotton balls. Make sure you put everything back so you don't lose it. Alright. Cotton balls are pretty much a no-brainer for starting. You literally just... There you go. And now I got my smalls here. If it's really dry, I'll just dump stuff on, which people have seen me do, and it said, well, man, you don't just dump it on like that. But fire never went out like that, so some of this might be a little big, but I'll get a nice long burn from that cotton ball with the Vaseline. Come on, guys, don't make a liar out of me. Like I said, there's a lot of moisture in the air. Oh, you gonna make a liar on me or what? See, these ones here are too big. These ones are a little bit better because they're smaller. She's not dead yet. Stuff up on top. Oh, there we go. It'll flare up. The fuel's starting to light. Split down fuel, stand it up like this so that the fire will start drying that out better. And she's toasting up nicely. I'm kind of just letting the camera run so you guys can see it. See that it's not dying. Even with that wet wood on the bottom. It's still going. Nice. Like I said, a little touch and go there at the beginning, but I actually thought I was going to go out there for a second because she was struggling. And the smoke likes to follow you. Wow. Even these limbs are wet. Alright, there we go. Just wanted to check back in. It's been, I don't know, 45 minutes I think. Fire's still just rolling along nicely. The stuff on the bottom was never an issue, like I said, because I had drier stuff on top. I forgot to bring my tongs. I keep thinking I need my tongs. I keep forgetting to bring them. It's alright though. Just use a stir stick. Sweet. Well, all packed up, heading home. taking the trash with me. You're welcome, mysterious person. As always, I appreciate watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And let me know what you think in the comments. Good, bad, whatever. Peace out.